Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into FirstNet portal, secure access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the URL for the FirstNet portal and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login screen. You will be prompted to enter your username. Type your username into the designated field. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password carefully, ensuring that case sensitivity is considered. If you have forgotten your password, locate and click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your username and password, review your information to make sure it's correct. If everything looks good, click the Sign In button to access your account. If you encounter any error messages, double-check your username and password for accuracy. Should you continue to have trouble logging in, consider clicking on the Help or Support link for assistance. Once logged in, you can navigate the portal to access the features and resources available to you. Ensure that you log out after your session to maintain security. To log out, find the Logout option, usually located at the top right of the screen. Click the Logout button to securely exit your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.